That was gay. Hello. There was another badass cliff up here. I took a panorama picture of. I'll try to share it with everybody. But you're literally like on the rock face. There's a rock like this, and you're literally in between a little V looking out. Hello. She look mad. Don't look so mad. Arr. I come out to nature to smoke some nature. Eat some nature. Get all woohoo. People running it. I found out this goes all the way to the other end of Table Mesa, so not where I need to be. Pretty sure my bestie would be a little pissed off if I called her fucking south side of Table Mesa. Hey, you want to come pick me up? Bring me to that car to grab my bike? Because I was almost out of here. This truck goes from the north side of Table Mesa to south side. Not sure where it really comes out at. Looking down the mountain. Horseshoe. Well, if you stay during this video, this is going to be a long video. I truly appreciate you. Even if you don't, still want to drop a like and a comment talking about, yeah, you're fucking stupid, or this is stupid, or even if you like this, let me know if you kind of like this kind of stuff. Sorry, my fingers keep getting in front of the camera. I'm trying to make sure this thing's charging. Yeah. We was at 50%. Now I'm back up to 83. So not too bad. And that's pretty sad when you come out here to better your mental health and find out your physical health is in way worse shape than your fucking mental health. Hello. Here I come out here with a backpack, like 3 frozen bottles of water, 2 jugs of water, sandwiches, protein bars. Beautiful little valley. Oh, look at those squirrel. Oh, lose them in the trees. A little valley. Some creek water. Like I said, this is gonna be a long video. We cut the other one off a little short, so if you stay during this whole video, truly appreciate you. If you don't, at least tell me what you like, you don't like. Oh, I see a puppy dog. Yes, ma'am, you be safe. Pretty little puppy. Pretty little puppy dog. Puppy dog. Come pet that dog. Come pet that dog. Didn't want to spit in your ear, so I paused it. Big old boulder. This is what threw me off. I stayed on the Mesa Trail. But there's a Fern Canyon. That's what I went up the first time. Looking for Mallory's cave. Definitely gotta read the signs around this bitch. A lot of people think when you're walking the mountains, there's nothing but views like this. And to be honest with you, you're doing this. Watch where you're going. Holy shit. Hey. keep in mind this backpack I got on is pretty heavy. It's been pretty peaceful today, minus the airplanes flying over. So most people I seen today walking out of here. Here I was thinking I was out here by myself. Look at all the pine cones. Of course, I mean, think about it. There ain't nothing but pine trees around here. Oh, wait, besides this one. A big old chunk of rock, ain't it? You're gonna hear me out of shape, out of breath, gasping and winded like a motherfucker. Like I said, come out to the mountains to work on your mental health, and come to find out your physical health is way worse. It's like, holy shit. So we've been out here in the rugged terrain, off-gridding, past 2 days. I'll probably take tomorrow off and recoup. Take care of the babies. Set some lights up. I think it's about time to pop my 37th parallel. And the funny thing was, they were the last ones I germinated. I didn't, I germinated some Girl Scout cookies first. Syrian runts. The Draconian drool. And then the 37th. And the 37th were the first ones to pop up and the last ones to be planted. That's times 10 zoom. I'm definitely glad I came out here a few times to get the feel for things. There's the lake. One of them. That's ×4 zoom. See if we can get to this peak. It's gonna be an off trail because the trail that I took up was definitely not the same. I don't know, it's fucking weird. I will definitely show you if you want to stay that long. Steep as fuck. Like a 45-degree incline or more. What? I don't remember this shit. Yeah. Maybe. Because I didn't go that fucking way. Well, we're gonna figure it out. Because I didn't come in this way. Not right here. Because I do not remember this. This would be a cool little spot to fucking see the sunset, but I gotta shoot out of here because I have no idea where the fuck I'm at. Like I said, there was a trail that came up to this. And I do not remember this at all. Oh well, we'll see where this goes and see if we can get the fuck out of here. Yeah, we didn't come across this shit, so this is all new. I should have been going down Table Mesa, but I didn't go down that part. Because Mesa goes all the way straight, I'm pretty sure. At least that's the way I fucking came in at. But I have a feeling this will probably take me out too. Holy Batman. Rough terrain way. Rough. Fucking take the woods. Fuck that shit. Okay, so I came out at a different area. I know where this is at. Alright. Because I wondered where this trail went. This one didn't have a fucking trail coming up it, as you see. So that trail that I took fucking goes up this fucking mountain, and it's a fucking bitch. And then I saw this one, and I was like, what the fuck is that? As it says Table Mesa. So I went up that way. I didn't know it was that way. So we didn't get lost. Needless to say, that was actually kind of a shortcut, to be honest with you. It knocked off probably like fucking 2 miles. So we won't be able to get to see the outlook, the out peak. I'll go down it another day and get a video of that, but I did get a panorama, so I'll share it. And this is a trail that goes up to that antenna. There's an antenna for the academic Colorado University. Has a little, maybe like a 6x6 room or a 7x7 room up there. It's got a little air conditioner, radio tower. And there's Fern Gully, Fern Galley, Fern Valley, Fern Canyon. So we went up that. That's a pretty cool fucking trail. It goes way up in the mountains. It's a definitely up, like this one was. Mesa, the Mesa Trail, Mesa was an up trail. Start to see some of the pinks and purples in the skies. It's truly a beautiful place out here.